Hi everyone, so basically behind me here is boxes, about 1, 2, 3 tubs that I need to obviously get through today. I've taken out all of the stuff that we normally have around the living room and the normal decorating stuff that you have around the house. And then today I'm going to be really decorating, so you might be able to see, so you can see all the tubs down there. I've got a lot to do. So we'll see how things go. I've got a busy day and I hope you like the video so far. So stay tuned and continue relaxing and chilling to the music. I have to point out, these are the things that I made instead of having a cracker. Our dog gets very funny about Christmas bangs and bits and pieces, so I designed this. I spray painted them with stencils, and inside I cut out the bits and pieces here. Cut out there's an old book. I got 3 of these from a charity store. This one's mine, so I like stags. So each one is designed with a little Christmas hat in there, but we just leave them in there for just to keep it in there really. These are the things that we fill with a present just before dinner. Little presents in there, so each year we change who we're giving it to. It's a bit like a Secret Santa, but we all know who's going to be obviously buying who. And but yeah, we put it in there just before Christmas. No one can look, and then before we do our starter, this is the thing we do first. So we do our cracker. This is what we call it, the cracker, but it's really the book. Every year we say, oh, only £10, only £10. But it never works out that way. It actually ends up being more than £10, and the book never closes because the present's like this big.